What's up guys, my name is Kyrie Issei and I'm back with another sample. So for today's video, I'm going to be breaking down an airsoul sample, and I started the sample with a spiccato strings from X-Band, as well as a grand piano from SRX Orchestra, as well as a vibraphone from XRX keyboard, and together they sound like this. I then followed it up with a horn from Sonatina Orchestra, a brass from SRX Orchestra, as well as a pulsating pad from SRX keyboard, and together they sound like this. I then added a pad from Cradle the Prince, as well as strings from SRX Orchestra, and this is how they sound like. As for the strings, I added automation, which you can probably see here. The automation is controlling the volume of the string to make it sound realistic. I then added a harp, and let me show you the person as well. And this is how the harp sounds like. So for my harp, I wanted it to be very simple, so I just added a roll that goes up. I then added a call and response, which is a kick as well as a bass. So this is how they sound like. I then added a brass ensemble, as well as a string from SRX Orchestra, as well as a solo violin from X-Band, to create a top line of the sample, and this is how it sounds like. And for the mixing, for the brass, I added a EQ, as well as a Valhalla space modulator, as well as a Valhalla plate, and that's the bass channel for my brass sounds, which I called brass reverb. And then for the strings, they also have their own bass channel, where I added a Valhalla shimmer. And then for the grand piano, I just added an out compressor as well as a EQ to shape the sound. And for the pad, I got rid of the low end from 90 Hz going down, And for the master channel, I added a PX digital V3 to add width to the sample to make it stand out a little bit. I also added a sound shifter pitch stereo from Waves, and I didn't pitch up the sample or anything like that. I just added it to add texture to the sample. I also added a crash which sounds like this, and let me play the final sample. So the final sample sounds like this. So yeah, that's the final sample. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And I'll see you again next week. Oh, and don't forget my sample pack lunch and dinner, which is out already now. And it's completely free as well as royalty free. I will have it in the description of this video if you want to download it. Thank you again. See you again next week.